Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. So today I'm going to be doing something fun and different. I'm going to show you how to create this glitter placement nail art look. On the blog today I'm actually going to have this look and another one, so you're going to want to check that out. It'll all be linked in the description box below. But first, let's take a look at the glitters that I'm going to be using to create this look that kind of looks like flowers but also kind of looks like grapes. First up, we have the purple. These are both from Dimension Nails, and this one is called Good Vibrations. As you can see, it is gorgeous, and it is a holo glitter. Next up, we have a green, which is called Limelight, and again, it's got holo in it, and it's beautiful. Now, to start off, I have already prepped my nails and I've already put on 2 coats of Haruku from the new Zoya line. Now, before I put on the glitters, I kind of want to make my nail tacky again, so I'm just putting on a thin coat of the polish before I place the glitters. You could also use a sticky base coat on top if you want. Now, I'm just going to start going in with the little glitters. As you can see here, I kind of use the lid as my palette for the glitters so I don't have to make a huge mess. And then I take them one by one and place them on my nail. I had this rhinestone kit one time that was for nails. I believe it was by Red Carpet Nails, and it came with this little rhinestone picker upper, which is what I am using to place the individual glitters. Obviously this is a daunting task, and if you don't have this tool, I would highly suggest maybe a toothpick or even your smallest dotting tool would work probably. Actually, even a mechanical pencil tip would work. So anything just super small that you can either dampen or just make it tacky with some nail polish to get the glitters to stick to so you can place it would work perfectly. And as you can see, I kind of start in the middle and then go around with the purple petals, and then I add in a green leaf. Sometimes I put in 2, sometimes I put in 1. It just depends. And now that I already showed you one, I'm just gonna quickly speed through the rest. I am doing this on a hyper speed camera, believe it or not. I felt like if I were to show you the full process, I believe I taped it at regular speed and it came out as 5 minutes to do this nail. So I thought, you know what, I would just speed it up so you guys aren't super bored during this video. But I think you can kind of see the gist of how this is done. So I'm gonna let this go through and then I'll meet you back for top coat. And now it is done and time for a top coat. You can use whatever top coat you would like. You definitely want to make sure that all of your glitters are down and adhered to your nail before you do this, otherwise you're going to have sliding glitters, which wouldn't be good. Also, make sure you try to keep away the glitters from the tip of your nail so it doesn't cause any snagging issues. I kind of just, tap the end of my nail with my other finger just to make sure they are all completely on my nail and not hanging off. And here is your final look at this manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My first intention was to make this a flower look, but the more I look at it, the more it does look like grapes. So I mean, maybe you're a big grape lover, or maybe you think they look like flowers. So that's what this manicure is for. Be sure to check out today's blog post for another look using this purple glitter, because I've been having a lot of fun placing them, even though it does take kind of a while. But I think that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos. I have a lot of videos coming that I'm really excited about. So yep, that's it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.